These first two pots here are 10 days old purple corn, and the soil combination I did is a mixture of garden soil, chicken's manure, and cow's manure. And as you can see here, it's showing good progress. And a closer look. And on the side, we have these three pots of older purple corn, and the same mixture I did. And up here, we have these corn silk or corn hair, which is, according to www.healthline.com, corn silk is a natural corn fiber used in traditional Chinese and Native American medicine. Though research is limited, but some studies suggest that it may reduce inflammation, blood sugar, and blood pressure. Well, corn silk is likely safe to eat, but for most people, but you should consult your doctor if you have some allergies. And according to studies, it is good in boosting your kidneys and bladders because it can help reducing infections, prostate issues, and it also good in treating congestive heart failure, diabetes, high blood pressure, and fatigue, obesity, a lot of some natural diseases that it may cause problems in the long run. But corn silk is a good alternative to boosting your immune system. And besides, maybe you might be asking how to do it. You just boil the corn silk or corn hair together with the corn cob, and that water that you use to boil it with would be ready for drinking. Of course, just have to cool it up or just warm, and then you can drink. That's what we use, and the kind or the variety of corn that we planting is purple because it consists of antioxidants and other good minerals, better than the other varieties, though other varieties are also good. Okay, YouTube friends, it's our time to harvest our purple corn. So the one harvesting is my wife.
Let me.
Okay. Oh, you just cut it here.
I'm sorry. Wait.
Uh,
Wait.
good
Oh, I
for,
need this.
yeah, the hair, the corn hair. It's good for curing kidney problems and other diseases. We'll see. I think that one is better. Yeah, I think it's more mature. Yeah, still young. So maybe we'll add one or two. That one. You pluck it off. The previous harvest, those were matured purple corn, and now kind of, yeah, still really young. Yeah, do not open the whole thing. We just want to see the, yeah. I think the other three they're not ready yet, so we only got three. So we'll show you after we um, peel it completely later. And we added one corn cob and make it four, YouTube friends, and here it is. And of course the purple corn juice that is ready for drinking. And take a look, YouTube friends. The purple corn juice that we have here, it's really pure and it consists of antioxidants and other good minerals that can help boosting your body, your immune system. And purple corn is more expensive than the ordinary variety of corn out there. And as you can see here, these are the corn cobs that before cooking them, we place them on the table with the corn here and also the two green eggplants that we also harvested. And good to have your own vegetables at your backyard, YouTube friends. So it's a good evening here in Thailand, YouTube friends, and I hope that all of you watching over there is also having a good day or a good night. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you love gardening, please consider subscribing. And of course, hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated for our next video. See ya.